welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the metadata panel. Okay, so I'm going to close the media browser panel out, and let's go to Window and go to Metadata. And what you can see here, what I want you to think about when you think about metadata is the information about the file. Okay, an example of that would be when was the file created? When was it modified? When was it last opened? What was the dimensions of the file? Is it HD? Is it 4K? Is it SD? Codec. What kind of codec are you using for the audio? What kind of codec are you using for the video? Color profile. Okay. Duration. How long is it? Audio channels. Is it stereo or mono? Okay. Mono is 1 channel. Stereo is 2. Encoding software. What kind of software is it using? That's really what metadata is. Now, you can go above and beyond that, and you can enter in all this information here. Give it a 5-star rating, whatever you want. Okay, and then you can go through here, do all this stuff. Basic, rights management, dynamic media. Okay, Photoshop, author's position, caption writer, category, city, country, credit line, date created, headline, instruction, source, camera raw, okay, and then this one. So these are different file types. If it's a Photoshop file, if it's a dynamic media, rights management, basic, Dublin Core. Okay, so again, what the point of all this is if you have a metadata file on this video, it's a way that you can organize your stuff. Okay. So that's metadata. So, and the panel. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.